Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Windows 11 Snipping tool. The Snipping tool in Windows 11 makes it easy to capture screenshots of your screen in just a few clicks. You can use it to grab a specific area, a full window, or even record your screen. It also includes basic editing tools to mark up and save your captures. In this guide, you'll learn how to use the snipping tool quickly and efficiently. To start, click the Start button. Type Snipping Tool in the search bar. Click Snipping Tool to open it. Click the New button to start a screenshot. Choose the snip type, like rectangular, freeform, window, or full screen. Now, drag your mouse to select the area you want to capture. Then release the mouse button to take the screenshot. The capture image will open in the snipping tool editor. Use the pen or highlighter tools to mark important areas. Use the eraser tool if needed. Use the handles on its edges to adjust the image size. Click the capture icon to store the screenshot, or click the drop-down, choose the Save to option, choose a folder and file name, then hit the Save button. You can also click Copy to paste the screenshot into another app. Tip: you can quickly open Snipping tool anytime by pressing Windows plus Shift plus S or print screen on your keyboard. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.